Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your books Fly High Grade 1. So now we are on the chapter 11 which says, why did Joy fall? Okay, so this story is about Joy, a boy who never puts his toys and other belongings at their proper places. Let's read the story to know how he hurts himself because of his bad habit. Now, moms always, they generally say that put your belongings from wherever you've picked them up. You should put the things at the right places. So there was a boy, Joy, who was in a bad habit of leaving the things anywhere. Okay, and this way he hurt himself. Before that, we have an activity. Match the given things with the places in your house where you find them. So where do you find a tree? In a garden. Where do we find a bed? In the bedroom. Good. Where do we find the pan? Kitchen. Spade and the bucket? We find it in the bathroom. Then a car, garage, and then finally we have a sofa. It is there in the living room. So now let's read the story. This is Joy's room. See, it's all scattered. Everything is, just scattered. Look at the bed, look at the floor. It is a small room. It has a bed, a chair, and a table. The curtains are blue. Yes. Then the bed cover is also blue. Joy's room is really untidy. It's messy. His school bag is on the floor. His books are lying on the bed. One of the shoe is on the chair. One of the shoe is here. Where is the other shoe? It is near the bed. Joy has many toys. He has a toy train. See, it is there on the table. He has a robot. Where's that? I cannot find it. Yes, it's here. Joy has 4 toy cars. 4 toy cars. Difficult to locate them. One is here. I think the other one is here. So everything is scattered. He has a robot and he has building blocks. So these are the building blocks lying here and there. Joy likes to play with his toys, but he does not put them back at their proper place, which is a really bad habit. The blocks are on the floor. The toy train is on the table. The toy cars are on the bed. Where is the robot? It is there in the bookshelf. The robot is in the bookshelf. Joy runs into the room. He trips on his back and falls. So because the bag was lying on the floor, so when he was running into his room, he slipped on the bag and then he hurt himself. He hurt his elbow. He starts crying. What should Joy do so that he does not fall again? So what do you think he should do to avoid falling again? He should keep his room clean. He should keep all the places at the right place. So that was a short story. So coming to the exercise, which part of the given sentence has an error? Joy trips at his bag and falls. So Joy trips on his bag. It should be on his bag and falls. So this part. Choose the word opposite to the word large. Large is small. Opposite is small. Next we have the extract. Joy's school bag is on the floor. Joy books are lying on the bed. What is on the chair? One of his shoe is on the chair. Joy has 5 toy cars. No, he had many toys and he had 4 toy cars. False. True or false? We need to tick mark the correct option. In Joy's room, which things are of blue color? The curtains as well as the bed cover. So both A and B. Where are Joy's books lying? So where are the books lying? They were lying on the bed. Let me check. Okay. The books are lying on the bed. Which toy is lying along with the books in the bookshelf? It was a robot. Next, we have the fill in the blanks. Joy has a small room. The bed cover is blue in color. Joy's room is untidy and messy. Joy's one shoe is on the chair. And we need to answer the following questions now. Which color are the curtains in Joy's room? So the curtains are of blue color. Where is Joy's school bag? So Joy's school bag was lying on the floor. Where are Joy's shoes? One of his shoe was lying on the chair and one of the shoe was near the bed. Where is the robot? The robot was there in the bookshelf. How did Joy hurt his elbow? Now Joy, when he was coming back to his room, he trips on his school bag, falls and hurts his elbow. So that was all about the story. Hope you all loved it. Though it's a short story, but then it has a great moral that we should keep our room clean. It speaks a lot about us, right? And we should keep all the things at the right place. And books are to be respected. Leaving your school bag on the floor is really disrespecting your books. So be careful, keep things at proper places, right? And do help your mama in cleaning your room. So that was all about the story. Read it once again, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.